bless you. Welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Alright, so today I want to show you a very nice 36251 chord in the key of F sharp that you can use in different various gospel chords. For you are great, you do miracles so great. There is no one else like you. There is no one else like you. So for you are great, you do miracle. 3, 6, so great. 2, there is no one else like you. So I want to show you some of those chords. And also if 3 and 6 is just direct, like let's look at this song. What a mighty God we serve. What a mighty we serve. Alright, so I want to show you some of those chords, right? Very fast. But before then, I want to introduce to you my new intermediate piano course and over 2 hours video recorded piano course. You can see the syllabus on the screen. On those syllabus, all those stuff there, including the bonuses, right? So you get when you buy this, you get video. You get 2 hours video plus 2 hours plus video. You get a PDF that shows you the chords. You get a MIDI file that shows you everything that I played, and you can turn down the tempo of that PDF of that MIDI files with the. If you have a MIDI file player, you can turn that down to check everything, to see on the computer screen, to see all that I played. Being able to see all those stuff, all right, that I played in the course. Okay, so the course goes for 4,000 for people in Nigeria and $12 for people overseas. So to get your copy, just inbox me now on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp line has been inputted on the comment section of this video just for that purpose. All right, and then you can check the about page of this channel also to use the seller link to buy directly on seller on my seller store. Right, God bless you. All right, so let's look at some of these stuff we talked about. So I think there was a time I did a video on this channel where I gave this type of chord for 36 chord in the key of F sharp. So imagine what a mighty God we serve. What a mighty God we. Alright, so look at this. It's just this is just C sharp major 7 over a B flat dominant 7 chord. But let me just save you of all those stuff and just call out the notes of the chords. So we have our 3 chord. We have a B flat, F and A flat on 3. On 3, yeah, on the left hand, and on the right hand we have a C sharp major 7 second inversion. Is this second inversion, right? Okay, that's like a third inversion, right, which is C, C sharp, F, and A flat. So together. Then for your 6 chord, I don't know if you've played this before. Woo. So your 6, these are chords, rooted chords. You have your 6 and your 3 on your left. On your right, you have a D. You have a D sharp. You have a G, and then you have a B flat. Right? So together we have Y, then to your 2. On your 2, you have on left you have a 2, 6, and 1. On right you have a 4, 6, 1, 3. That's a B major 7. B, E flat, G flat, and then B flat. Then your 5 chord, you have. So you're gonna do a tension release on that 5. On the 5, let me start with the right chord. You hold your 5, 6, 7, and 3. Third. So you have a B. That's a B major 7, flat 5. That's another third chord. Right. So we have a B, E flat, F, and then a B flat. So, but on your left hand you do a power chord. You do 5 and 1. Then you do 5 and 7. So you have something like this. So water. Right? Then we say. So just look at that. What a mighty God we serve. Right? What a mighty God we serve. I adore you. Then angels. Right, I really need to get a montage on this channel. I mean, I'm not just really used to this with this plastic keys anymore. So make sure you share this video lessons with your friends and share with your people. We need to grow on this channel. We need to grow to get a lot of stuff to improve the quality of what we do on this channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. And if God is leading you to us, please answer the call and chat me up for donations. I mean, good ones. God bless you to help us. Bye.